Now I want to demonstrate how to create a string because we have the string inside the SOP absorber, so we need to show some of the demonstration for that one. So when you click into the top word plane, insert a new sketch, we need to draw a circle here and then make a smart dimension for the 100 because I want to create the diameter of the string is 100, and then when I right click, exit the sketch, and then you can see the isometric view is like that one. So we need to use another technique is the pull down menu. You can see insert we have the curve, and then the helix is the path of your string. So when you click into the helix and then click into the circle, you can see we will show some of the helix here. So the helix we have the revolution. The revolution is when you click the 20, you can see when you zoom it we will get more, and then 10 you can see we have the 10 circle here. And then the pitch size, that means is also the same as your screw flag, because the screw flag between the flag you can see we have the pitch size. So the pitch size when you enlarge it, you can see 20 millimeters. You can see here is 20 millimeters. So I can use 10 or 100 to do the string. So it depends on your string. Maybe I use it for the 20, and then you can create a helix for the path because the string we have the circle. So I think the top view we can do the path very easy, and then we can choose another view. Because why we need to choose the front view here, because I want to create a circle in that location. So we need to select the word plane here. The word plane is the front word plane. Insert another new sketch, and then when I just click into the front view, you can see I can convert the entities, because that one is project the entirety, because I want to project a point here, or I want to draw a circle here, because I want to make the string. So I think that one you need to delete, because I just use the project entities to create a circle. So you can make the smart dimension right now, and then I just make the smart dimension is 3 diameter, and then you can see it in the isometric view. We have the profile for the circle, and then we have the path. So when you right click and then do the exit sketch, you can see we have the sweep here. The sweep, you can see the sweep with a closed profile along the open path. So the open path is the helix, and then the closed loop is that one. So when you just click into the sweep function, you just have the sketch for the profile, and then the path is that string. So when you click into it, you can see 3D. So when you click it, when you zoom, you can see the string. So when you edit some of the features, you can right click to edit the features, because edit features you can make some of the edit features here, or we can edit the helix here, because we can edit the features. Maybe the revolution is not the 10, I want to make it more, or the pitch size is not 20, is much closer, you just make it. So when you zoom it, you can see the string we can create in SOLIDWORKS 2008 very easy. So I think that one is one of the demonstration. So I do another demonstration, because I just asked you the handles of the door is also using the sweep. So the front view, maybe I want to use a front view to start the sketch like that one, because the handle is just like the open profile, and then I just finish it. And then you can see in the 3D views we had the profile. Maybe you can do some of the fillet here, but I don't want to do it, because I just want to show demonstration. So when you just make it, you can see we have the right wheel, but the right wheel is not the same as that point. So we need to use another technique called insert reference geometry, and then when you click into the right wheel, you can use insert because you need to close, you need to exit the sketch. When you click into the right wheel, you can use insert and then reference geometry to the work plane, and then you just click into the point. You can see we can create the work plane about that point, and then just click, and then we can insert another sketch here, right click, another sketch for the circle. Because I want to draw a circle here, the circle we can make the smart dimension very easy. You just make it 10, and then right click to exit the sketch, and then you can see that one, the work plane. You can hide the work plane here because I just want to see the circle for the profile and then the open loop here. So when you use the sweep again, and then you can see that one is the profile, and then another one is the path. The path is that one. So when you click OK, I can draw the handle of the door very easy using the sweep. So the car body, we can use the loft to do it. So I think that one is the demonstration about how can we use the sweep function to create some of the 3D modeling.